Hello, I'm Wave. How to draw a leaf. You know, leaves are always green in color, which we see in plants and also on the grass. When the leaves turn yellowish-brown in autumn season, it would start falling from the tree. Other styles of leaf can be rounded or elongated, or multiple leaves, or Canadian maple leaf that can be seen from the Canada flag in Canada. Now here's the technique of drawing a leaf. First, we draw a margin of a leaf. It can be either straight or curved. The end part of a margin has its tip of a leaf. Second step, making a shape of leaf. Basically we draw in swish form. Although the leaf is symmetrical but can be twisted in either side. And thirdly, we have to draw the veins of a leaf, that is, the vascular tissue of the leaf, just like in terms of biology, teaching from an assistant Blaze the cat. Now we color it green entirely. This looks fantastic. One thing about leaves is the clover leaf. It's therefore like heart-shaped of a leaf. They can have either 3 or 4 heart leaves. The clover leaves can be used for St. Patrick's holiday, which holds on 17th of March in United States. So I hope you know about how to draw a leaf. Like, comment, and subscribe now.